Hello everyone, welcome back. It's to another video. Today we're playing Animal Jam again, and today we're going to be reading the news, just so much news. I don't read a lot of the news, but all today's video is just going to be me reading about the news and Animal Jam. So let's read this. Wild Weekend, Prank Weekend. Looking to liven up your den. Get ready to prank your buddies with classic practical jokes this weekend. Only be sure to check out dead items like Jared's peanuts and fake spiders while you look to the part of a pro prankster with cartoonish accessories. All of these items will only be available this Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, let's go to the next thing. As the colors fall has colored coyotes with a gorgeous pattern and beautiful leaves spread across the ground as they walk. The fall winds have brought these animals into Jamal, but there's no telling how long they stay. So be sure to become one soon. Sorry guys, I'm fine. Let's go to the next thing. The mystery of the temple of the something has been solved. Do you know any magic will help to sail away Balloonish in order to keep it safe? Jammers are invited to visit the temple of the something to read the message Joe left behind. Some of these are like from okay, so cook any of the honeybee plants around Jamal to adopt your own pet honeybee. The adorable flying pets for all jammers. August 18th is Honeybee Day. Join the celebration by picking up your favorite honeybee items and checking out all the fun facts around Jamal. You want to see Jammer? Okay, next. Wild pigs. The mountains are home to all kinds of amazing animals. Learn more about them at the Wild Peaks exhibits in the Country Museum. Double Gems. Did you know that gems in Jamal sometimes give you double the gems? Just look for an X2 gem sign with balloons. Is that a butterfly or a tree? Is it upside down? Head stretching about den items are arriving soon. New buddies. School is back in season for a lot of jammers, but the beginning of a new school year is just the perfect time to meet Animal Jam buddies. Run, slide, jump, and dash. You'll race through the dangerous terrain while you collect and play as over 100 rare pets. Use the pet selfie feature and share your favorite hashtag pets with your friends and unlock a secret pet. Hashtag is available free on app and you can download it today. Last but definitely not least, get ready for school. School is right around the corner, so get ready. If you're looking for some sweet new school supplies, get Animal Jam, something set as a notebook, pencils, erasers, and ruler, and more. Oh my gosh, guys, there's so much to read. Okay, so if you want to pass by, you are allowed to, guys. I am not about to. Crystal Plaza. Are you a fan of crystals and gems? Show your passion with the Crystal Plaza, where you can always save the day. This luxurious den contains a huge castle plus a secret crystal cave to hold your greatest treasures. That's actually a really cool story. I like that. Tiki Trouble. School party. Everyone knows about school party, guys. Animal Jam. Take Animal Jam. Fun with you on the go with your free mobile app Animal Jam Play. Blah, blah, blah. I think all of this is pretty good because this is very delicious food. Retail gift cards. Let's do our daily spin and check out some of the cool stuff. I hope you heard everything I was saying. We got a gift. Oh my gosh, rare. Moving out. We got 3 gifts. This is amazing. Okay, rare bunny hat. Last gift. Oh, that is okay. We've got some pretty good stuff. I'm so excited about that. That's my first gifts actually on this game, like that. So let's open up my masterpiece. Has been approved. Oh my gosh, guys! I'm actually so happy that my masterpiece has been approved. This one is already been approved. I know that is my BFF on this game. I love her. I have 2 BFFs. This is my second BFF. My first BFF is Noelle. Obviously, guys, my second BFF is what is Ansley. I'm like confused. And it's pretty Physical and Cloud BFFs Cougars 87 because she plays this game too. So let's go ahead and check out everything. Let's change let's check if we want to buy an animal. An Arctic Wolf? What? It's actually weird. Okay. Oh, you guys, it's the coyote! The one I really wanted. Oh my gosh, I didn't see it. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. I want to get that. I want to get that. I want to get that. So the coyote. Oh, that's so cool. I don't have any of it, so let's go ahead and hurry up. What else did we check? Oh, let's check out my masterpiece because it said it's been approved. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is amazingly beautiful. I love it. I love the rainbow. Like, except for it's gold at the bottom. It's rainbow. I love it, guys. It's so pretty, guys. It's just so pretty. Okay, let's check out some of the outfits we got. We got this cute hat, we got this bunny hat, and we got this hat. We got a lot of hats, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna black out spot, guys. He's really cool. Okay, let's put my art on trade and get some people to like up my art because I really want some likes on my art. So I'm gonna run around, see if anyone will buy my, not buy my art. Check out my art, like it. And hopefully we get some likes on my art. I'm really excited, actually, guys. This is like a big hit for me. I love my art. My favorite is still Cougars about the BFF thing. I just love it so much. It means a lot to me. I would never trade it unless I was getting 20 spikes. Sorry, BFF. I know I just turned you down right there, but where's the painting? Oh, there it is. I just keep passing it. But yeah, since this one's new, it doesn't have any likes. I'm gonna like it up by myself. And guys, hope you've been enjoying this video. I'm gonna read some of the news still, like some of the ones I haven't read. Let's just read this one. Pets. in the midst of rivers. Bedouin, Sabertooth, and Direwolves. I don't really care. I'm just gonna. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Please like it up and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video, and bye.